Good morning, dear students. I am Sister Sneha. I will be teaching you English. As usual, we will start our class with silent prayer. Let God give us wisdom and knowledge to understand this poem perfectly. Name of the poem is Goodwill. Goodwill is taken from Yajurveda. First and foremost, I would like to explain the meaning of the title Goodwill. Goodwill means, in Hindi, we can say Mangal Kamna. When we come to English, we explain in this way to put the will in the mind, that is Jivatma, to do only what is good. In our mind and our body, we must think, and according to that, we must do only positive. We must fill our mind and body with the positive thoughts. Next, we will come to the next slide, Yajurveda. In this lesson, why we have to learn about Yajurveda? Because this chapter has taken from Yajurveda. In Indian history, we will specially learn about four important Vedas: Rigveda, Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. Yajurveda is Sanskrit word. Yaju means worship, Veda means knowledge. From Yajurveda, we learn about worship and how we have to worship our God and how can we with our God. Now we will come to the next slide. Here we are starting our poem. First I will be reciting the poem, followed by we will find out the meaning of difficult words. May that by which wise men skillful in rituals and steady in assemblies perform their task, that peerless spirit that lies in all creatures. When we come to the difficult words, first one we will see ritual. What do you mean by ritual? One or more ceremonies or customary acts which are often repeated in the same form. In Hindi we can say Anushtan. Steady, meaning firm, peerless, unique, spirit, soul. Last one, creatures, living beings. Now we will come to the first line. May that by which wise men skillful in rituals. How we can understand this line? Human beings must be wise, skillful in rituals. Coming to second line, and steady in assemblies performs their task. The work which we have entrusted, we must do in perfect manner. Coming to third line, that peerless spirit that lies in all creatures. Here we see that in Hindu mythology, we believe that when we die, our soul will not die. We get rebirth, means soul will not die, only transfer to another life. Now we are coming to the next stanza. May that my mind resolve on what is good. May that which is deep knowledge, intellect, memory, that which is the deathless flame in living beings. Here we will be finding out some difficult words. First one, resolve. What is the meaning of resolve? Determine, sankalp, deathless, amar. Coming to first line, may that my mind resolve on what is good. Oh my God, strengthen me with your wisdom. Also fill my mind and brain with your spirit so that I may always get positive energy. Coming to second line, may that which is deep knowledge, intellect, memory. Give me deep knowledge, intellect and memory. That which is deathless flame in living beings. Here we see that in all living beings, soul is there. We all die, but we must understand that our soul will never die. Basically, we speak about soul. So when we fight, it is not that fight between me and you, whereas fight between me and me. So no need of fighting with others. Coming to next slide, without which nothing whatever is done, May that may mind resolve on what is good. May that which guides men like a good charioteer. Here you see that we will be finding out some difficult words. First one is guides. It is the meaning of guides. There are three meanings. First one is devise, and next one to supervise, and another one charioteer. What is charioteer? The person who drives a chariot is called charioteer. Coming to line by line. First line, without which nothing whatever is done. Without soul, no life, and we don't have existence. Coming to second line, may mind resolve on what is good. Oh my God, in my mind, you may fill with good spirit and positive energy. Coming to last line, may that which guides men like a good charioteer. The soul will lead us like a good charioteer. Coming to next slide. Who controls fleet-footed horses with the reins? That which abides in the heart most swift and active. May mind resolve on what is good. You see here we will be finding out some difficult words. First one, fleet. Fleet means quick moving. Reins, the leather strap which controls the speed of horse. Next one, abides means dwells. Nivas rahti hai. Coming to first line, who controls fleet-footed horses with the reins? Everybody is inside. There is a horse. Our mind and brain is like a horse trying to run here and there. But we used to surrender us to the feet of our God. Coming to second line, that which abides in the heart most swift and active. In this line, speaking about our mind, it has a hope. Our mind is so swift and active. Still, we give our mind totally to God so that according to His voice and will, according to His wish and will, you will be able to move. Coming to third line, may my mind resolve on what is good. Oh my God, give strength and life to my mind and brain. My mind always be filled with your spirit so that I will not fall in any ill. Let us come to the conclusion. And also, we will be having next class tomorrow. That will be the next lesson. And please listen the lessons and study well. Thank you.